Hello everyone. Now our topic is the great and the respected, the former 11th President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He served as the 11th President of India and he is also known as the People's President, and he is also named as the Missile Man of India because he developed key missiles to the Indian Army. In his presidency, marked a focus on education, youth empowerment, and technological advancement. While he was working as the President of India on 24th 2007, the European Parliament invited him. On that, he was visited. On 24th 2007, he given one of the extraordinary and inspiring speech, so that we can discuss some proverbs he had given at that time. That is, where there is a righteousness in the heart, there is a beauty in the character. When there is a beauty in the character, there is a harmony in the home. When there is a harmony in the home, there is a order in the nation. When there is a order in the nation, there is a peace in the world. It means righteousness. Righteousness means good human contact and good relationships with everyone, positive relationships with everyone. It will carry harmony. Harmony means pleasantness, peace. Harmony will carry the order. Order means questioning. When the order in the nation, there is a peace in the world. So that we can understand from this proverb how he is inspiring through this, how he is dedicated towards interest of the nation and the interest of the people. How he is dedicated himself for the sake of people's goodness. And also he had given one of the other quote about dreams. Dream. Dreams will transform into thoughts. Thoughts will result in action, which means dreams will transform into thoughts. Thoughts will transform into actions. So we can understand that how the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam garu inspired from this. So he is one of the unique president. As a scientist, there is no such president as a scientist to become a president of India. And in the European Parliament also, After completion of his speech regarding the peoples of India and the peoples of United Nations, Europeans, the entire European Parliament Parliament members appreciating him with a clapping, and the president of European country Hans Gert Pöttering said that he given speech as the one of the extraordinary and inspiring speeches we have ever heard. He gave this statement after the completion of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's speech in the European Parliament on 24th April 2007, so that we can understand that how is motivated the peoples of the nation, how he is truly inspiring the millions of people in India and also the other countries also across the world, so that we can learn from him the qualities of positiveness towards the everyone and positive thinking and motivation and his dedication. We inspiring from these qualities he had, so that in his period the people of India are very happy for that, and is a people's president also. He contributed a lot of missiles to the Indian Army. He developed a key missiles to the Indian Army like ballistic missiles, so that my the conclusion of this video is: stay positive and be good and do good to the everyone and yourself. Don't negative your thoughts, and be positive with our thoughts, and be strong at any situation. We are observe these qualities from the APJ Abdul Kalam's. We will observe these qualities from the APJ Abdul Kalam's. Thank you. My words are reaching to you, I hope. Thank you.